Hi there, everyone. Welcome to episode 563 of the Mike from Maine Show, the place where we do daily interviews with successful online entrepreneurs. This is your host, Mike Thomas, and today on the show we have Sam Finlay on, and we're going to be talking about a pop-up plugin. Now, I try to make that sound as boring as possible, but here's the thing. On any website that you're going to these days, these pop-ups are coming up, and probably you're wondering, oh, they're annoying, why are they on here? But the thing is that they work. However, now there's a new generation of pop-ups being created that are going to provide more value and give a better experience to your audience, and of course, get you more opt-ins, sales, and conversions. Let's get into it. Here's Sam. We are here today with Sam Finlay. Sam, welcome to the show.
Hi, how you going, man?
Good, Sam. Thank you. Today I brought you on because you caught my attention with a piece of software that you're releasing with some partners of yours that takes the whole annoying pop-up and makes it into something that is new. I don't want to say revolutionary because I don't want to hype it up too much, but definitely takes an old product and makes it something that's going to catch people's attention again, and it's going to make it so that it's not necessarily going to be as annoying anymore and more of a value adder as well. So tell us a little bit about yourself and why you created this product.
Cool, yeah, well, I've got a background in fine arts and design, actually, in animation, and I studied that and actually have a master's degree in animation. And I moved from that into the marketing world, and with pop-ups, we wanted to approach this product from a new perspective. And pop-up destroying is such a stigma of spam, and we wanted to change it so that it's just work on the presentation of it and make it really beautiful, and make the introduction into the page just really catch viewers' attention, so that you set the right mood for the viewer, and so that they, you get them to take action in the way that you want them to.
And that's what these are all about. It's all about in marketing, getting people's attention. There's so many messages coming at us day after day, where sometimes we just need to take the offer, the goal, whether it's getting someone to opt in to your email list, whether it's getting someone to click on a CPA offer, or whatever, you want to have that main goal and put it in front of them so you can say, look, here it is. If you want to do it, this is your time to do it. But you also want to do it in a way where they're not going to just go up there and click out of it. They're not just going to want to ignore it and be annoyed by it, but in a way that is going to be providing value as well. So this product that you guys have created here called Stakk, it's on the sales page. It says, use this amazing WordPress plugin to create extraordinary full page opt-ins, videos, surveys, and exit pages that get you more leads and sales. And let's just jump in. I want to see what this looks like. I want to see a presentation
awesome.
on it.
Cool, we'll jump into a demo. Just give me a sec.
Sure.
Okay. You got that?
It's coming. Yes, got it.
Cool. So first I'll just go through some demos that we have live here, and then I'll take you into the back end and show you just how easy it is to set up. So here we've got some thumbnails and some demos, so I'll just click on these and show you. So we've got all different kinds of trigger actions that can be applied. So, timed trigger actions when a viewer comes to the page. You can set it, to 2-3 seconds, whatever you need. We've got all kinds of really nice smooth animations to bring the products and your images into the page and animations. You can add, HD video backgrounds and animations here, and animate your buttons, and do all kinds of stuff to grab the user's attention.
So this right here, it's a video page where someone had come to a page of yours, and then that popped up.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Say it again.
So that right there was it's obviously a video there with something for them to click on. What was the the action that took place? Like someone came to a page and then that popped up?
Yeah, so that's set to a trigger action of 2 seconds. You have all different kinds of options of, exit intent, or you can set it to a scroll percentage of the page. So you can line it up with content on your page to trigger an event. And then you can completely cater your graphics and your images to match that event. So it just perfectly sets the mood for the viewer.
Nice.
I'll move through to a few more examples. So we've got all kinds of CSS animations as well for the backgrounds. So you can set all kinds of different styles. As you can see there, we've got the nice background animation and the Stakk popping up. Slide down here a little bit. We've also
definitely very different from the traditional just like pop-up coming up.
That's it. We're trying to make it more of an experience for the viewer. So it's not you're seeing a nice image and something that you can enjoy instead of just being slammed with, buy this right now. And, you can combine this as well and have it so that if you want to, you can lock content underneath. So they do have to, they have to look at it, but you can also just set the mood and get them to take action. So here we've got this example. We've got a, HD video background and the image coming in slowly. So you can really, just set the mood. And the way that Stakk works is these forms all lead into each other. So you can link this through to an opt-in form, through to a survey, through to all different kinds of customizations and stack the features together. That's, where the name comes from.
And in those video backgrounds, is that something that you need to add yourself, or is it something that's included inside of the software?
You need to add it, but it's really easy to do. I'll show you how to do it in the demo in a second. So in this one, this is more of a, a full page pop over squeeze page. So as you can see, just really beautify things for the viewer. Add your testimonials here and add countdown timers for scarcity, and have your opt-in forms.
That's cool. So you can have the video in there, you can have the opt-in form, you've got the scarcity timer, and that's all added in through Stakk.
That's right, yeah. All that stuff is. It's all including completely customizable to all your colors and buttons and everything are changeable. So this is more of a simple example with some nice effects in the background. It's all, the only real limit with Stakk is your imagination, because you can combine all kinds of different media, and if you create a video to match the look of your Stakk, you can combine it to create a complete experience. So this is this is an example of an exit intent. Add a countdown timer.
Can you explain what exit intent means?
So when a lead comes to your page, your sales page or your offer, and they go to click away, so they'll go up to the X to click out of the browser. When they do that, they'll get triggered to be shown that image. So all that will pop up, and so they have another chance before they click away to have a look at your offer.
So it's like they're leaving. It doesn't come up unless they're actually in the process of leaving the page.
Yeah, so they've had enough that they want to go. They try to click away, and then they see that. You're not blocking. They can click away if they still click away if they want to, but it's another way to just quickly show them and hit them with something beautiful and get them to pay attention.
And I love that kind of technology, because sometimes what will happen is someone will be on a page and maybe they're about to take the action that you want them to take, and the pop-up comes up. But with the exit intent, you can wait until, okay, they're obviously not taking the action, they're trying to leave, and you're just like, oh wait, here, I just want to make sure that you saw this before you go, and you can grab those extra clicks, extra conversions, extra opt-ins before people leave.
Yeah, that's it. And you can, because it's an exit intent, you can really cater it to, to match that and set the right mood for them to look into your offer. So this one is another example. It's this is an example of a survey. So we've got the different animations coming in, and I'll click through this. You can see very simple. And then you can set this so it's got your offer list, and it can redirect. You can redirect that through to another sales page or whatever you want.
And I think it's important to note as well, I've seen a lot of these do videos before. Like I've seen opt-in pages do video. This one also has there was sound coming through. Was that through a video? Was that through something that you'd set up?
Yeah, so that was the background video. So again, you can really set the mood with those kind of little added features,
Cool.
added touches of design. So you can mute, and also add the option to mute those and change things the way you need them. So I've got another example here, the bonus pack. So all of these examples that you're seeing are just these are just all timed events, just for demo purposes. But you can set all different trigger actions within Stakk. And I'll show you one more down here.
Yeah, there's so many of them. That's another thing that caught my attention. It's not just one thing. It's whatever you want to use. I'm sure there's some things that I doubt anyone's going to use every single thing here. They're going to pick and choose what they want to use for their marketing.
That's it. Yeah, you can just completely customize it, and as I said, you can link all these, so you can have this image come down with your product or whatever you have there, and then you can link it through to an opt-in form, link it through to a survey, or you can have it so that the opt-in comes up first, and then link it through to a survey to get some feedback before they go away. You can really customize it and get all kinds of market research to, boost your sales and conversions.
Love it.
Cool. I'll jump into the back end and show you quickly how to set up a Stakk. So it's really simple. This is in my WordPress admin area. And all you need to do is just click create new.
So you do have to have a WordPress website if you want to use this. You need to have basic website and hosting in order to use it.
That's right. Yeah, it's a plugin for WordPress. So all you need to do is give it a name so it can be saved. Choose a page to display it on. Down here you have your trigger actions. As I mentioned, you click your exit intent click-aways, scroll percentage, times, combination of each. So I'll set it to time 2 seconds. Then we have different animations for the forms. So I'll set it to bounce. And page animations, this is for your background colors you can set as well. But I'll be using a video for this demo. So for that, this is for the background. The question you asked before, how do you add the backgrounds in? So all you need to do is just jump over to YouTube and find a video that suits. Grab the URL. Move back into Stakk and just paste it in here. And a video will be pulled in. And here you can loop it and mute it as well. So I'll mute it for this.
I like that. And you don't need to, it looks like you don't need to buy extra, like if you can find a video on YouTube, that's a nice...
Yeah, that's it. There's plenty of content on YouTube where people have put it up royalty-free that you can use. So here you can set your redirect. So if you want to redirect the call to action to a sales page or whatever you want, you can put that there. And in this section, you can change the layout. So this is all the different combinations I was telling you about, the way that you combine your different stacks. As you can see, there's lots of different options here. And then, you can have it like this and then link this through to another one and just keep changing and swapping and changing it to match your needs. So for this, I'll go for media and timer. So I've set that, then we need to jump over. We'll save our changes first. And then we just need to jump over into the media section and the timer section to edit those. So I'll move over into media first. And again, we'll have a pop-up video on this. So again, move over to YouTube and got a testimonial here. Grab that, copy the URL, and we can just paste that in here. And we can set it to autoplay. We've also got more options here. You can force it to be HD. You can show the controls as well if you wish. So I'll leave it like that.
Is it? Can you make it autoplay?
Yep, that's what. I've set it to autoplay here.
Oh, okay.
So when the stack pops up, that'll just start playing for them. So yeah, down here you can set all your text and colors are completely customizable down here. You can change by color code or we've got a drop down section as well to choose your colors. And here you can set, if you just want the video to show with no none of the mess around it, none of the call to actions, it's just a simple video. You can set that as well. And you put the X in if you wish. The users can click out as well by clicking the background, but you can put a physical object for them to click as well if you wish. And you can add borders and do lots more customizations. So we'll save that out. Move to timer. And here you can do the same thing. It's all laid out the same in each section, just to keep it simple and easy to use. So we've got our text and color down here as well if you need to change those. And you can do all different kinds of customizations to the timer. You can set it so it's evergreen. So here you can set the number of days. So every time someone comes to your site, they'll see a 3-day timer. You can set it that way, or you can set it to an exact, actual end date as well. So I'll set that. And then, at any time you can just click preview and check out how it's looking. So jump in and have a look at the preview.
Just a quick video.
So as you can see, we've got the testimonial coming here, the call to action, and the nice HD video background with the timer popping in.
Love it. It looks really simple to set up, but at the same time, if you want to make it more complicated, you can. If you want to make it it has all the different functionality that you'd want to have with it, but if you want to just make it simple, you can at the same time.
That's it, yeah. If you want just simple campaigns, you can do that, but you can go really deep and just keep customizing it to exactly how you need it. So I'll show you one more thing. Once you've finished and you like it, you jump over to the dash and publish a page. And that'll take you back to the Stakk home. And then here you have more features, you can duplicate them quickly. So this is a great way to just, check your analytics, find the Stakk that's working, duplicate it, make a few changes, add it to another page, and keep refining things until, you're converting really highly. I'll jump into the analytics section. Here you can see we've got the views, clicks, emails, surveys if they apply. You can also set a tracking pixel, and if you're selling a product, you can put your tracking pixel on your thank you page, and then put your unit worth for whatever you're selling, and Stakk will track your earnings per click as well.
So and you can also take that tracking pixel, put it on if you're selling something, put it on your thank you page, and every time someone actually goes through this and hits that thank you page, it's going to fire that tracking pixel so that you're going to know that, okay, that sale came from this pop-up.
Exactly, that's it. So if you're selling a product for $47, all you need to do is take that tracking pixel, put it onto, as you said, the thank you page, and then every time someone sells it, the EPC will be calculated here. And you can refine that as well. You can change the dates or add in, exact calendar dates to really see what's working. And okay. Down here you can, if you don't, we integrate with all the major autoresponders, but you can also download all your email captures as a CSV file if you haven't connected an autoresponder. And you can also download all your survey answers. You can quick jump between analytics to compare and contrast as well. So I just wanted to quickly show you the analytics section as well.
As far as integrating with email, does it work with Aweber, GetResponse, all the big ones out there?
That's right, yeah. So we have, I'll jump over into Opt-in and show you. So we have, all the major ones here. And then we also have the option to, you can paste in your own form code here. So if you have a, custom HTML form code from, all the autoresponder providers have that feature. So you can just grab that code, paste it in here, and that'll pop up. And so then that Stakk will show instead of, that opt-in form will show instead of the Stakk.
Nice. Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. So we've got all the different options here. Media, timers, we can do the surveys. There's what's the offer one? Did we see that?
So offer is just a way to quickly list all the things that you have on offer, or the features of a product, and then you can offset this with, for example, you can go media and offer like this, and then you can have the media of the video that we set up, and then offset it with this, change all these out, and I will take off the call to action there. So now if you have a look, got
Joey
feature
Soto
list
here,
included
and
as
this
well.
is just a quick
Nice.
video that I wanted to shoot my friend Bobby Walker.
And there was a confirmed thank you. I was interested in what that was.
Yeah, so in this section you can have, so for when someone sees your stack and they go through all the steps and they finish it, you can set a thank you message here, or you can set up a redirect URL. So once they finish, you can redirect the page to somewhere else if you wish. Set it to a new window. So yeah, that's what that section is.
So would that be like sending them? Would that be just putting up a thank you message after they click on the button, or?
That's right. So if you say, for example, you've got just an opt-in form popping up, and they've already submitted their email, you can set it so that a custom thank you message shows up here after they've finished submitting, or you can have it redirect so they can finish opting in. So say you offer them a free ebook in return for their email address. Once they've submitted their email, you can redirect to the page where they can download the ebook, or something like that.
Got it. Okay. Or you can send them to an offer or a one-time offer or whatever.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool. I mean, that's a lot of stuff inside of there.
Yeah. Lots of customization, and we've got a great support team in place and full-fledged tutorials as well, showing all the finer points. And we're also taking in ideas from, we've released it a little bit early to JVs, and we've got lots of feedback, and we're already adding a bunch of new features. A lot of new animations have already been added and will be available in the launch version. So yeah, it already is a great product, and it's getting better as well.
As far as other software is considered and compared to, what in your opinion makes this better or different from the other ones on the market?
I think basically I might just jump out of screen share if that's cool.
Sure.
Yeah.
You're back.
Cool. Yeah. Basically. So, sorry, what was the question? Just what makes it different?
What would make it different? Like, there's other software on the market that does similar things. I'm using one of them right now on my site. What, in your opinion, makes this better or unique or different from all the other products available?
I think it's mainly the ability to combine all the multiple marketing tools into a single plugin, and that really let you retain the viewer's attention in a beautiful way and really set the stage for them to take action. So that design approach to it, that it's not a spammy pop-up. It's really something they want to see, something that's beautiful and worth their time, and then ease them into what you have on offer, or what you have to say in your video, or whatever it is.
And yeah, I feel like there's been a lot of detail to design on this one, and to being able to customize it in different ways that you want to, where other ones out there are like, okay, this is what you're going to use. It's efficient, it gets you results, but when it comes to the user experience, the other softwares can maybe lack when it comes to that.
Yeah, for sure. We put a lot of time and effort into not only the end product that your leads see, but also the user experience for marketers using the product, and the user interface and the ease of use for that as well. It's been a lot of time definitely has gone into that, just to make it really nice and and intuitive.
Cool. As far as different licenses are concerned, what are the options that people are going to have when they come to the sales page?
So yeah, for the first week, for the launch week, we've got special pricing. So we have the single license at $17, which is good for one site owned by you, and then we have the multi-site at $37, which is good for 10 sites owned by you, and then at 67 cents more at $37.67, we have unlimited installs on unlimited sites for you and your clients. So that's just a special we're running for the first week.
So okay, so for the multi-site one, you can use that on up to 10 of your own sites, but if you want to be able to install it on sites that you sell to other people, or be able to put it on your client sites, you have to pay that extra 67 cents to be able
That's
to
right,
get that.
67 cents.
But if you just want
That's
it for
it.
one site, there's the $17 one as well if you want to do that. Do you get all the stuff that you showed us today, all those different functions? Is that included in all of them?
Yeah. Same functionality in all the different price points. Yeah.
Cool. Okay. And as far as one-time offers go, what should people expect there?
Yeah, so we have the first one-time offer we have is a software called Easy Install 2, which is a desktop software built in Adobe Air, so it works on Mac and Windows. And it's basically what it does is lets you install WordPress from your desktop. So you open it up, you sign in to your cPanel, and then you just add your theme, all your plugins in one go, all from the software, and then just click install, and it gets your site live. And it also has a preset feature, so you can save out all your settings, and then next time you come in to open it, you just sign in a different cPanel account, and you can load it up really quickly in a few clicks. So
that's going to be useful for people that are building either a lot of sites for themselves or for their clients.
That's right, yeah, exactly.
Cool.
It's really simplifies the process and speeds it up. You don't have to keep going in and changing all the same settings again and again in WordPress and deleting, the dummy content. You can just do it all from the desktop.
And other one-time offers?
Yes, so after that we also have Rapid Mailer, which is one of Sean Donahoe's products, which is a WordPress plugin that lets you, it's pretty much an autoresponder provider, but it's a WordPress plugin. So you can manage all your email lists from there, and provides, autoresponder functionality like follow-up emails and everything that you can expect. But it's there's no monthly fees, it's just a one-time payment, and you can just keep all your emails in one place. So that's what that does.
Now I'm assuming that that's going to work with the Stakk software.
Yeah, it does. So you can integrate with Stakk, and the leads that you collect with Stakk can go into Rapid Mailer. And the custom form code in Rapid Mailer can be used in Stakk, and so yeah, it all integrates nicely.
Nice. Well, Sam, thank you so much for coming on the show today, especially when you're getting ready for your launch, and you're in launch mode right now. Is there anything else?
Yeah.
Anything that
too many Red Bulls.
Anything that we missed? Anything that you wanted to mention before we wrap it up?
Yeah. So also for the first week, besides that, our discount pricing, we have a special pack on offer, which is a custom graphics bundle. So it's a series of HD backgrounds that you can use in your campaigns, and also some animated call to actions you can also add to your stacks to add some extra, flair and grab users' attention even more. So that's it's about a $250 value added for the first week.
And that's only available during launch week.
That's right. So it's from the 5th to the 12th of Feb. Yeah.
Sam, again, thank you so much for coming on. The software looks amazing. Thank you so much, and best of luck with your launch.
Thank you, man.
I hope you enjoyed the interview today with Sam. If you are interested in picking up Stakk at its discounted launch pricing, come back tomorrow a little bit before 11 a.m. Eastern on Thursday, February 5th, and you're going to be able to pick it up at that discounted price along with my special bonuses and the bonuses that Sam mentioned in the interview. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow.